bamboo steam group. Itu tuh helu tuh kipa komokat koi, aru itu mergas nih yo.
Hi.
Ini lokal aja, lokal pata use group. Itu tuh jungle lah pata sih, muruk ya lah. Itu mati ho tuh. Pata tuh pata ya sih. Itu tuh hota aja lah, aru lah itu gitu. YouTube. Oh, this one. Panas itu. Itu bamboo steam dia cuma itu. This is fig leaf. This is yoto.
Ini mana ada? Cime.
Tail. Face.
Ada cime.
Face kan sabi to. Patik tani di mana? Ayo, anda sih sabi to mau macam English word anda tuh gimana deh?
Eggs.
Fish egg mate. Fish lang anda. Fish egg. Itu alak chutney बनाओ. Kita. चलो. टुकड़ा करो. Dry bamboo shoot, ginger, garlic, local dhania. सब हालिबो. बस. की पिछे हालिबो लागिबो. Okay. Fern leaves.
All my dear fellows, my name is Naga.
All of people say, this is local dhania from the Nutri garden. Kitchen garden brown like local dhania.
It is jungle de grow pare, ghar de grow pare.
Aro must to local fishes de. Bamboo bhi pura hua se. Look. चलो
Man itu bamboo de steam grow lese.
mas to nai
मुझे आंसर है.
Garlic, tomato, green chili, Chinese onion,
lasen. This is also called lasen in Lotha dialect.
fern leaves from the kitchen garden, and local dhania leaves from the kitchen garden. Dry bamboo shoots, fig leaves from the garden, and nyotso from the garden. Fish,
Yeah, local fish. Komulgat and merga. Let's put the garlic, ne? The garlic.
Now dry bamboo shoots.
Chinese onion do halibo. Itu do abnyan jungle to be grow over. You can do this in the jungle also, in the river, or at home also. Tomato for coloring purpose. Let's see how colorful it will come out. Let's remove the center.
Ay, master.
Some
Green chili.
The green chili to bazar lagate.
Local no hoy.
This is not local. It is organic to no hobo. Chalbi. Okay, let's put the fern leaves. Not much. All of you say nai. Hali ule khoto kitchen garden to kumti ase. Thania local thania to hali je. Smell to bhali labo.
Let's put some salt. Ooh.
Thania to pula no. Ekta bhi pula na dibo. Mas khan nina thania pula ase. Keep on missing us. Something is missing here. Sorry the smell do. The smell is so good. What to do?
It's gonna be very tasty.
Another coloring agent. Haldi, turmeric.
Just for coloring.
Yeah, too many colors na.
It's gonna be a rainbow.
Try different style with this bamboo. This is going to be purely Naga style, okay? Authentic Naga style. It is going to be purely green Naga style of cooking by demand. Let's steam the fish in a bamboo stock, na? It's called bamboo stock because this is called stock. The rest I don't know. Let's put the fish 2 by 2. Yeah, this is matcha. Chinese onion. See. No water. Let's not put water. Test makers.
How many different styles?
See, this one you chapa.
Fold it.
Chapa. And then let's use fig leaves.
Now roll it with banana strings.
This is it. Okay, now we'll start steaming. This is called two-in-one process. Okay, this is also another chicken.
On the verge of cooking. We're drying our chicken.
Chicken dry kore ase khabole bhal hobo next to banai kena dekhabo smoked chicken coming out.
Ono tu chulise.
Kasi sabo. Wow. Mucha sudah. Kabul bhi bhala se. Ara pata laga gundo ko jaba. Muzza. City de hoile bhi jungle de khani shina se de pata laga gundo bra. Wow.
Ay. Ayo bola.
Hey, ভাল বড় খাবি না বেশি খাবি না চিমে ও চাং তো খা তাহলে
Ah.
তুই তোমরা তো
Kul phera.
হ্যাঁ ফিশ খাবি ফিশ
Fish te elam langa.
খাবি তো মাছ আর এই তো প্ল্যান তো তাই দিছেন কি মান বি মিলে কালার কম্বিনেশন তো ওয়াও